What causes the wind to blow? In the atmosphere, there are high and low pressure systems. Think of high pressure systems as having excess air and low pressure systems having less air. Thus, the air will move from higher toward lower pressure. The high and low pressure systems usually develop due to temperature differences. Air at the equator is warmed by the direct rays of the sun, while air at the poles is cooled because the sun's rays are not so direct. As air warms, it expands and becomes less dense and therefore rises. This is vice versa for cool air. This causes a pressure difference between the poles and the equator, causing cool winds to blow away from the poles close to the ground and warm air to move away from the equator at high altitudes, creating a circular motion. This circular motion, along with the Earth spinning, causes lateral forces resulting in the winds to move around the Earth rather than directly between the poles and the equator. As a result, the winds spin. In the northern hemisphere, low-pressure systems have winds spinning around them in a counterclockwise direction and high-pressure systems in a clockwise direction. This is opposite in the southern hemisphere. How fast the wind blows will depend on the pressure differences between the high and low pressure systems. Very fast winds often occur near cold fronts, low pressure systems, and jet streams. Wind can also blow faster when it is forced into a narrow space. For example, this can happen between buildings and within mountain passes.